Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how to edit text on Fusion 360. So I've got this file here and I want to edit the text of the initials over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this bottom corner here, right click, click edit sketch. Now I'm not sure if you can tell, but the letters are backwards because the sketch is actually on this surface over here. So if you try and get to it from this side, you're not going to actually get to it. So I'm just going to rotate my view all the way over here. Now I can right click on this and then click edit text. Here you can change the height, the angle which the text is. You can also do it like manually, or you can put in the exact values that you want. So I didn't mean to do negative 270. Edit text 270. Perfect. Now I can click Finish Sketch, which should change the text here and automatically do the same on the other side.